Ånneland is a multi-layered mattress with a height of 24 cm. Ånneland is a fantastic mattress for every night's sleep and support all sleeping positions with exceptional comfort. Ånneland is built with a combination of different types of foam in combination with pocket springs, which gives a great comfort, helps you to wake up and feeling refreshed. Ånneland will come in two different comforts, firm and medium firm. The top comfort in the firm version will come with high resilient foam. We have also been working with the pocket spring, where we use different wire thickness between the firmnesses to differentiate the firmness. The cover is made of 3D knitted fabric to give a soft touch and follows your body while you're sleeping. It's quilted together with polyester wadding to give a soft touch to the mattress. The bottom fabric is as well with knitted fabric, quilted together with polyester wadding to give a soft feeling all around the mattress. We have been working with the details by adding more quilting lines in the higher price ladders to give a more qualitative impression. The cover is removable and can be machine washed. With a zipper position in the middle of the mattress, you can zip off the top to fit in easier into washing machine. We also use an inner sock around the core to make it easier to dress and undress the cover. With the sock, it also gives a more fresh look. With practical handles on the side of the mattress, it's easy to move around. Ånneland is easy to bring home as it comes in a press and roll pack solution.